What's N? We have the O. We need to grab opportunities for our learners. Provide opportunities for our learners. When we say O, it means it's not by luck na nag-prepare na mo og lesson exemplars. Planning, preparation of the activities for our learners, plus the opportunities, that's the good luck for our learners. The third one, what's the letter? R, meaning the relationship. Build a good relationship with our learners. From there, we're able to understand them. From there, we're able to prepare the principles, the 4 I's, the 4 C's, and the 4 E's. The relationship to your parents, to the parents of the learners, to the community, to the teachers within you for collaborative expertise. The fourth one, the T, and that would be the track. You're moving forward. The progress. What would be your target for these 2 years for your class? For the learners in your class? For the beautiful learners that is being entrusted to you? Ang imo ba mga non-readers this time? At the end of the school year, mahimo silang instructional readers. That would be our track, our aim. And the last one, before we end, and napaabot na ang init na sabaw, we need to have a big heart. Because from there, if we have the heart, we're able to motivate. We are inspired to do all these things. We are dedicated and passionately committed that our learners is our target. To all of you, maayong udto, maayong paniudto, salamat sa pagpaminaw, bisan sa kainit, always look